Welcome to SekosFx. Hope you're good. I want us to break down gold together. We are going to analyze and see if we can get a setup. If we manage to get a setup, then I'm going to make another video where I place a trade and then make another video showing you if we've managed to make profit or not. But right now, let's just analyze gold together. You can see gold, it has been in an uptrend, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. Okay, we are still expecting a higher high. We're expecting high high. I know some people might say gold is in a downtrend. No, this is just gold retracing. Okay, it hasn't yet changed its structure or its character. Let me say that it hasn't changed its character. We can say gold is in a downtrend when it manages to break down, to break this area right here. Then we can say now gold, it has changed its character, it's on a downtrend. But for now, gold is just doing a pullback or it's just retracing. Okay, because let me just zoom in. If you can see, gold is trading at an area of sensitivity. This is an area of sensitivity. It's playing around a major support area. This is where we get a lot of push towards the upside. See here, price touched this area and it went up. It tried to come around this area, it pushed again to the upside. Right now, again, we are seeing the similar thing happening. We already have two rejections. We have a rejection here and here. Okay, a rejection here, still rejecting. Okay, so we can establish that this is a major support. Price is failing to break below this area. Okay, so now that we've marked this area, let's mark our resistance. We have a resistance here, we have a resistance here, and also have a resistance here. These are just areas of sensitivity. Okay, nothing much that we can say, but according to the way the price has been behaving when it comes to this area, it has been pushing up. So we are still expecting even now that gold will push towards the upside. Okay, but we cannot place a trade based only on that. At least you must have 3 confirmations or 4 before you take a trade. Okay, right now you only have 1, so it's very weak for us to take a buy. Let's jump to the daily time frame. Right now on the 4-hour time frame, you can see how gold has been behaving, or it has been trading, still testing the major support area. We're still testing this area. Okay, so what we can expect, we have a diagonal resistance. We have a diagonal resistance here. This is a diagonal resistance. Okay, this is a diagonal resistance because looking from here to here, gold is in the downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, but we cannot sell gold. Why? Because we are having a major support. So it is still trading between a diagonal resistance and a horizontal support. Currently, gold is actually consolidating. It is consolidating. It is bouncing on the diagonal resistance and horizontal support. So we must wait for a breakout. We are waiting for what? For a breakout. We are waiting for gold to either break below and retest for a sell, or break above and retest for a buy. So what we are waiting for, we are waiting for gold to either break the diagonal resistance or the horizontal support. If gold breaks the diagonal resistance, then we are going for a buy. If gold breaks below the horizontal support, then we are going for a sell. But we must wait for confirmations. After it has broken out of these areas, wait for a confirmation. Wait for it to retest. Okay, wait for price to break, then retest for you to buy. Or you wait for it to break, retest below, so that you sell. Okay, so for now we are sitting back we will be sitting back and watching what the market is doing. This is on the daily. I'm talking about the daily time frame. The daily time frame is telling us to wait, to just sit back and watch what is happening. Let's go to the 4 hour and see what is happening on the 4 hour time frame. So far there's nothing much that we can say about the 4 hour, because you see here we are having another area of sensitivity. Okay, we're having an area of sensitivity here. We're also having an area of sensitivity here. Okay, so as I was saying, that currently gold is trading sideways, guys. It's just trading sideways. There is no clear direction. Honestly, there is no clear direction where it is going. So we must wait for a breakout. We are waiting for a breakout. Some might sell, might buy from here to here. Okay, because that's what happens on when the market is trading sideways. They buy it at support and take profit at the resistance, sell at resistance, take profit at support. But I don't like to enter a trade when the market is trading sideways or it has no clear direction. I wait for a clear direction, knowing that whenever I place a trade, I can relax because I know where the market is going. But right now, we don't know where gold is going. We don't know. We don't know. There is no clear direction, honestly. There's no clear direction unless you have a different strategy. You are a scalper or you are an intraday trader. So that is a different story. But this analysis, looking at this analysis, is based on a swing trade or a long-term setup. So let's go to the 1 hour and see what the 1 hour is saying. Okay, we are looking at the 1 hour right now. The 1 hour showing like the bulls are in charge. Yeah, showing the bulls are in charge. Okay, analyzing the 1 hour, you can see we have an area of sensitivity here and another one right here. Okay, these are areas that you should pay attention on when you are a scalper or a short-term trader. Pay attention to this area because you can make money, guys, out of these areas. When price breaks retest here, you can buy up and take your profit here. Even now, when price breaks this area, let me show you. When price breaks this area right here, when price breaks this area, okay, you can buy when price breaks above test. You can buy, take your profit here, or hold with your trend stop and then wait for it again to break, retest, you buy, take a profit here. You can actually make money. Okay, but as a swing trader, I'm waiting for that big move. I'm waiting for that big move. I'm waiting for that big move. Big move. Okay, I'm waiting for that big move. So this is what we have on the 1 hour. This is what we have on the 1 hour time frame. We are waiting for break, retest, so that we buy here with your stop loss here, then you take profit here, your TP1 here, TP2 here. Yeah, that's what we have on the 1 hour time frame. I think we can take advantage of that. Okay, oh my god, right there. You buy above this area, you take your profit here, then your stop loss below here at 40.24 and your TP here at 40.83. Yeah, that's the setup that we have, but I'm not saying you should enter. Remember, we are waiting for the price to break above and retest before we buy. That's what we have. While we are waiting for the big move, what is the big move? The big move is when the price or when the market breaks above retest, we buy here. Or price breaks below retest, then we sell. That's what we are waiting for. We break out either above or below. So that's it, guys. That's what we have on gold. That's my analysis. That's my setup. We have the 1 hour setup. Let's check the 15 minutes. I didn't check this 15 minutes. What the 15 minutes is showing us. Okay, what's the 15 minutes showing us? 15 minutes. You see, it's promising, guys. Promising. But it's not yet time for us to buy, because still the market can push to the downside, come back here again before going up. All right, so wait. If it breaks and trades above here, we have a clean range here for us to buy. When it breaks here, you have a clean range for you to buy from here to here. Okay, so wait, guys, wait, and then you'll see. Patience is very important. And another thing, guys, I have a group. You can go join my WhatsApp group there for more signals. I'm out.